I've been really drawn to this cool tone 90s makeup look, and I saw that it's trending. Actually, I'm gonna apply green underneath my eyes. And I'm actually gonna leave this on. I hope you guys don't mind. Applying the green color corrector really helps balance my skin. This is the palette I'm using, this Icy Nude from Huda Beauty. It has very beautiful color tones right here. I see the white, I see the cool tones. I'm thinking of using these two eyeshadows for the eyes. For the eyeshadow, we're going to apply this concealer right here, the Fox Eyeshadow Concealer. I noticed that if I want my eyeshadow to look nicely, the base really matters. Grabbing the white eyeshadow, we're gonna like apply that all over. I'm pressing this into the lid, then blending it upward into the crease. Applying this matte purple right at the end of the eyelid. With that same brush you applied the white, we're gonna blend it. I am just blending so much. Sometimes my eyelids will be drier than I anticipate, and when that happens, then that just means I have to do a little bit more work to blend. But it's not a lost cause. I think that for many of us, we get really impatient. Like a bad painting, you keep trying, you keep adding, and then the painting will come to life. You kind of have to give yourself a chance with makeup and be very patient. There's like this lighter tones called One Self on this palette. Helps blend the two colors together really well. If I would have given up the first few seconds, I would not have seen this beautiful blend. It just takes time. I'm going to apply more concealer. I want to do like a cut crease. Remember when we used to do this back in the day? I'm pressing it and then curving it. I have to kind of be off camera. You're gonna see me go down because it just takes time for me. Oh my god, my TV is on. Hopefully you can't hear that. But I'm already focused. See, that's the thing about me. Once I'm focused, hard to kind of snap me out. Pressing it onto the eyelid. We're only doing it halfway. More of that purple. And apply it right at the end. I'm not seeking for perfection. I am seeking that this eyeshadow looks like there was a lot of time spent on blending. And then I am grabbing the other lighter color and applying that on top of the white and purple. I'm going very lightly, like as if your eyelid is the most sensitive part. I'm not pulling into the eyelid, I'm just pressing it down. With that finger, we're gonna blend it. Kind of work with the shape that you have. I apply it to the left and then to the right. That way I can grab as much product. I'm blending it into the face. This foundation is really hydrating, so it melts so beautifully into the skin. I'm sure you guys can tell. Look how beautiful. With just pressing on this, I'm actually not blending very much. Definitely want to get down there on the throat because I am pretty swollen. For the eyes, we're going to apply white right at the end with the color poised underneath the eye. I'm going to apply these press-on lashes, which they're so quick. Look, we're going to grab this lash and apply it from the bottom. Look at that. I've had these on all day and they've stayed. My favorite, this Milani Lash Extension, highly rated. I'm gonna apply some underneath. I'm gonna do a cool tone blush like this one, Huda Beauty, the filter one, in the color Latte. Pressing it onto the cheek. I like this one because it's not too pink. I do want to grab like a little bit of this and kind of give the eye a bit of extension right in the tear duct. Okay, for the lips, I do want something a little bolder. I love RareBeauty's lip liners because they're a lot creamier, much easier to blend. I like blending. Lips really do take time. I feel like lips are like eyebrows. You have to put in the work and really see what kind of shape you like and fits you better. I really like to take my sweet time on it and do the blending and shaping. I applied this LipInjection TooFaced lip gloss. The tip does not look like this. I'm trying to work with it being all bent. I'm gonna apply this RareBeauty one, the color Hope. It's a matte blush. I've never tried it before. The thing is, I feel like I need a little bit more matte. Perfect. I'm going to apply the mist because I need to hydrate the face. I'm going to apply setting powder and foundation powder. I can feel the plump. This one's the one size in the color Fair 3. Something that I've been doing that I highly recommend is pairing a ritual or a scent or both with an affirmation before you start your makeup. I want to condition my body that it is safe to do your makeup. It is a calming space and an opportunity to create art. Again, makeup can be easily removed. It is not forever. I feel like makeup got really serious along the way. So next video, I highly recommend you watching my video and putting on a perfume that you genuinely enjoy and have fun. Maybe this is the makeup look that makes you feel so good. Looking at myself, I'm excited. I want to take photos. I want to go out. I completely step into my imagination when I can fully see it. So I just wanted to share that. I hope you guys enjoy this makeup. I will see you in the next one.